Dear students of class 6th, this is your English class and the chapter number 6 I am going to explain. In this lesson, you will come to know about that like we are what we are like about, how each of us is different from other. We are all interesting people in different ways and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy things. Like in this chapter, first there are many voice have been given, like many students have given their experiences. First there is Radha, who is saying that her favorite activity is climbing trees, which her mother says that climbing trees is not suitable for girls. And Radha, proves it wrong. She sits on the tree and she also allows her mother also to climb up the tree. When her mother herself enjoy the activity, she feels proud and she feel like as if she can rule the whole world when she sits on the tree. Next example is given about Nasir. Nasir says that when he will grow up, he wants to become a seed collector because many of the seeds become waste and they don't be used later on. His father works in a cotton field, and every year his father spends a lot of money on buying seeds again. So he collects seeds so that he could use them again next year, and they don't need to buy it for the next year. Next example has been given about Rohit. Rohit says that if he had a huge amount of money, he would have traveled. He wants to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in a magazine picture. And he says that he wants to sail in the Amazon River in South America. So his dreams are very big, and we wish, and everybody should wish, that his dreams should come true. In fact, he has a lot of knowledge about the world itself, right? So you must also wish like this. In the Konark temple in Orissa, or in the old city of Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too, he wants to see. Next example has been given of Sarbajit. Says that something makes him much angry because when he see that people don't believe in him, and when he wants to tell the truth, they don't believe. When he couldn't do his homework and teachers don't believe that he forgot to do his homework, or if he tells his parents that he didn't do such activity but they don't believe, so this makes him quite annoyed. So you should be pure at heart. This example has been given. Sometimes he says, I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. Like how he can release his anger, he has shown this. So we must also not forget how to release our anger. Next is Dolma. Now we should see what she wants to say. She says when she will grow up, she will become the Prime Minister of India. Why this is so? Though people laugh at her thought, but she says that everyone in the class asks her what to do when they have a problem, and her teacher always trusts Dolma when something needs to be in the school. She wants to make things better for everyone, and she wants to have good hospitals and roads and schools. It means she wants to do something for the society. She wants to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So this is about all Dolma. The last example has been given of Peter. Peter says his favorite day is the second Sunday of every month because the whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. His father gets the tickets in advance, and all of them, his grandparents, grandmother, grandparents, two brothers, and he himself, take the bus there. And in the interval, their father buys some peanuts and different snacks for them, and they come back after enjoying a lot. So, we can look forward to make our own likes and dislikes in the life. Everyone is individual, everyone has individual differences that you must always know. That's all for today.